most people go, what spreadsheet or bankrate.com or whatever, where did you come up with the payment? So I took over a tenant that was paying $1,600. The payment to Susan, and I'm going to tell you how I came up with the payment here in a second. I found the bunnies. Her bunny, Dale and Susan, they wanted to go on an RV trip all over the country. And they said their average cost to rent out a park for a month was $375 a month.
The way that he calculates amortization based on the cost of their RV trip is something out of this world. I must say, when they come to a title company with this whole RV trip bunny story, I wonder if, I know that he has his own escrow officers, etc. But they still need to make amortization tables work.